Novotel Paddington is on Kingdom Street, on right facing Sheldon Square. Kingdom Street and Sheldon Square and Novotel Paddington, they each has been asked a lot of time into the sheets. London Bridge Hospital is on Bridge Yard coming from west or south, left from Borough High Street to a left on Bedale Street forward, Cathedral Street forward and right, Montague Close forward, Tooley Street and left into Bridge Yard. Hedgerstone Station on Lee Street, coming from Queensbridge Road, left Scriven Street, right Hedgerstone Road, left Lee Street, and if you're leaving by station from Lee Street, leave on right on Lee Street, right Kingsland Road, left Downham Road, comply round Bodley by Halliford Street, and left into Essex Road. And if you're coming from Essex Road, you can still use Halliford Street and roundabout Downham Road, right Kingsland Road, left Lee Street. Earls Court 2 is on Lily Road forward into Lily Bridge forward Brompton Road. Percy Circus, if you're coming from west Regent Square forward Sidmouth Street, left King Cross Road, left Grayson Road, right Frederick Street, right King Cross Road, left Wharton Street, first left Prediox Place and forward into Percy Circus. Arsenal FC on Drayton Park, on right facing Holloway Road, left to right into Holloway Road. Watt W-A-T Tyler Road is off Lewisham Hill and Shooters Hill. When you're coming from Blackheath Road forward Shooters Hill, right into Watt Tyler Road. Irish Centre on Blacks Road, on right facing Queen's Caroline Street. Irish Centre W6. Shaw Theatre, if you leave on right on Sultan Street, left to Euston Road, you can go right into Jude Street. To go west, you have to do left Jude, right Jude Street, left Bidborough Street, right Tombridge Street, right Hastings Street, right Jude Street, and left into Euston Road. No right from a build and force right on Euston Road. Comolario, Comolario, Comolario Restaurant is on Holbein Place. From Sloane Square, leave by Sloane Garden, bear left into Holbein Place, settle on the right. So restaurant on our right facing to Pimlico Road. The London Film School on left on Langley Street facing Long Acre. Pineapple Studio, this is Dance Studio. Pineapple Dance Studio is on left on Langley Street facing Long Acre. Valley Foster Community Center. Valley Foster, W-A-L-L-Y. Valley Foster Community Center is on right on Humberton Road, forward Marshall, coming from Rockhold Road. Is Big Map Point. Cadogan Hall on right on Sloane Terrace, facing Sloane Street. If you come from Sloane Setting Street, left Sloane Terrace, set on the right. Trident Hall on left on Park Row, facing Romney Road and Trafalgar Road Junction. This part of Park Row is coming from north towards south, and Trafalgar Quarters on left on Park Row facing Romney Road next to the Trident Hall as well. Queen's Park Rangers FC on South Africa Road. When you're going towards east, there's no right turn on Westway. You can use the turnaround right Glenroy Street, right Inham Road, right Nescott Street, left into Wood Lane, left Westway. or otherwise you can do right from South Africa Road to Wood Lane, left Aerial Way, and left West Cross route, comply round Bodley by West Way. 4 Milo Road off Mark House Road on left, facing into Leverage Road. Hampstead Cemetery is on Fortune Green Road next to the Hampstead Police Station. So if you're coming from South Western Lane, Fortune Green Road, set on the left. Gun Wharf on Wapping High Street opposite the Wapping Lane. As you do left from Wapping Lane, right into Cannon Street Road. And if you're going towards east, then you can do right into Wapping Wall and forward into Garnet Street, right Wapping Wall, and forward Glamis Road, right into the highway. Gun Wharf on Oldford Road is called Gun Wharf Business Centre, which is opposite the St. Stephen's Road. If you're coming from if you leave by Gun Wharf forward into St. Stephen's Road, left Tredegar Road, Warwick Lane, and if you're going right right on Oldford Road, comply round board, leave by Grove Road towards north or south. Mill Harbour, no entry from Marsh Wall. So when you're coming from Marsh Wall, right Master Baker Road, left Lighterman's Road, left into Mill Harbour, or right is two-way, and if you go left is one-way bit of Mill Harbour, and on your right is called Peninsula Square on your right, and Enterprise Business Park on your left. Waldrum Cycle Track on right on Burbage Road, facing Half Moon Lane. Almedia Theatre on Almedia Street on right, facing Upper Street. You can't leave it on right. To leave on left on Almedia Street, right Betty Street, right Waterloo Terrace, right Upper Street, and first available turning on your left is Cross Street. And if you do right on Essex Road, first available turning on your left is Beckington Street, then all the way straight to Prebend Street, right or left. And if you're coming from east, Beckington Street, right Essex Road, left Cross Street, which is two-way, right Upper Street, left into Almedia Street. Gaskin Street is no entry from Essex Road. So if you come from Beckington Street, left Essex Road, first turning on the right is Gaskin Street, which is no entry. Fulham Pool is on Tilton Street, coming from Rylstone Road, left Lily Road, right into Tilton Street. English Folk and Dance on Regent's Park Road. If you're coming from Gloucester Avenue, as you leave the no entry part of Gloucester Avenue on your right, forward into Regent's Park Road, settle on the right immediately. If you leave on the right, first available turning on your left is St. Mark's Square. If you're coming from west, you should use Albert Terrace, right Regent's Park Road. So Prince Albert Road, left Albert Terrace, right right Regent's Park Road, settle on the left just before Gloucester Avenue. And if you're going towards east, leave the Society English Folk and Dance Society on left on Regent's Park Road, forward Gloucester Avenue, left Parkway, right into left Parkway for Britannia Junction. If you're going south, leave on left Regent's Park Road, left Parkway, right Arlington Road, right Delancey Street, and left into Parkway, forward Albany Street. Hammersmith Police Station on Shepherd Bush Road, coming from Queen Caroline Street, right Hammersmith Broadway, left Shepherd Bush, set on the left before the Book Green. Greece Embassy on Holland Park, facing Abbotsbury Road by the Bend. Guy's Hospital on Great Maze Pond. Leave on left on Great Maze Pond. You can go left into Snowfields, right Western Street, left Leather Market Street, forward Morocco Street, left Bermondsey Street, right Tooley Street, left into Tower Bridge Road if you're going north or northeast. And if you're going west, leave on left on Great Maze Pond, right Snowfields, forward New Common Street, which is one way. Then do a left on left or right into Borough High Street. And if you're coming from west, you have to use again Crosby Row. So from Long Lane, left Crosby Row, right Snowfields, left into Great Maze Pond, set on the right. King's Place or Guardian and Observer newspaper is on corner of York Way and Greenan Street. Greenan Street is one-way street from Wolfdale Road to York Way, and if you're coming from south, you can do right on Wolfdale Road, left Greenan Street, and set down on the right facing York Way, King's Place, and Guardian Observer is on your right. And if you're leaving on right, you can leave on right on Greenan Street, right York Way to go north, or you can leave on a left on York Way facing south.